Well, you just told me you didn't use illegal drugs.
I did hear the allegation, and I don't even. What else was I supposed to do? I had an original violation, and I know I had everything with me. I have to tend to that bank account and everything, and that's all.
Your Honor, Ms. Williams violated general condition number 5 on May 14th of 2026. The defendant committed the offenses of endangering children, a misdemeanor of the first degree, and endangering children, a misdemeanor of the first degree, and was charged through Middletown Municipal Court, as well as general condition number 8 on May 14th of
But do you not understand?
I understand,
Okay.
yes.
All right, you have a right to be represented by counsel. If you cannot afford an attorney, I will appoint one for you.
Of your facility, in and out of your facility, okay?
Ma'am, it's a very, very simple question.
I do not have the funds, so
Thank you,
no, I
that's
don't.
all I needed to know.
Your Honor, no, I
Okay,
don't.
thank you.
Just a small, I just need to let you know one thing. I have a medical condition. I have money that has not been I have nothing that is truly mine. So, if I have to, I'll hit a New York hospital and see if they have me on file still. I don't know. I'm just saying, like, World Trade Center to here, plane wreck, you know, I mean, nothing's good enough for nobody. Every time I come in and out of here, they take my identification, they take my bank card, they take my food card, they take my insurance card, and I never get this back, never get this back. What else was I supposed to do?
Well, you just told me you didn't use illegal drugs, and now
I'm paraplegic in several
Okay.
different kinds of ways, sir. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna guess, we're gonna set this for a hearing,
Okay.
and I'll make determinations then, but you need to understand, I'm gonna bet your doctor that treats you for these conditions would not approve of you using illegal methamphetamine and amphetamine.
Not illegal, but legal, which no one helped me do in the first place, so I don't know.
Okay, Ms. Augustus,
It's not an every second, not an everyday move for me. That's not my motive. That's not the motive here. That's not.
again, concern is that you were tested
Yes.
positive for illegal drugs.
I will test negative, not positive for illegal drugs.
Is there a recommendation of probation with regard to her staying out of custody?
Officer Martinez recommends a monitor. I don't know if it is not,
She still has one on?
I believe so. It's not clear from Officer Martinez
All
if
right.
she wants her to continue
All
after
right.
or not.
All right, Ms. Augustus, I'll allow you to remain free. Again, the use of illegal drugs is not going to be tolerated. I'm not looking for an excuse.
Yes,
I
sir.
know that you have some situations that you're trying to deal with. I get that. That's why we have you placed in a place to help you with those conditions, which means you don't leave there without permission. You don't leave there without them saying that it's okay and then go and use illegal drugs. That doesn't help your situation, and it certainly doesn't help your mental health. So, again, we will talk about this further down the road. Get in contact with your attorney.
I just have one dire need. Well, I know I had everything with me. I have to tend to that bank account and everything, and that's all.
Well, I'll leave that up to this young lady in the courtroom that brought you here. If she wants to take the time to stop over at the jail, that's up to her. I'm not going to order that today, okay? All right, I'll see you in a week or so.
I got some money from Hollywood. Thank you, and I'll see you.
12 seconds later.
Afternoon all. First case is State of Ohio versus Erica Augustus, case number 24 CR 41407. Present in the courtroom we have Miss Augustus, correct?
Yeah.
So there's been an allegation that you have violated your terms and conditions of community control. Officer Martinez, could I have a reading from probation departments?
Yes, sir. The violation has been filed on general condition number 5. The defendant was discharged from transitional housing due to non-compliance with program rules.
Ma'am, did you hear those allegations as they were read out loud?
Yes, and so I do have a few things that you might need to know about my stay, and as I stayed in a Wilmington and an Ironton recovery programs. I often do have issues with other clients or live-in arrangements with certain girls. I get attitudes from people. I'm a quiet person, clean, cleansy, private, just stay to myself kind of person. I usually have for myself. Sometimes I don't. I'm the one that always ends up with the bruise and the punches. I had an original violation, and I've been in jail for some time before these recovery programs I was placed in. And they were promised that I would receive my check back active and a possible apartment or a property where I could rent somewhere in a different area and start my life there. My son is currently living with a family member
So
of
ma'am,
mine.
don't think rude of me, I'm gonna cut you off, because I'm fearful you're gonna go into something that could be a potential defense or something, how you're gonna posture this case. This
No.
is just a probable cause hearing.
Yeah.
So the question is, did you hear the allegation as it was read out loud?
I did hear the allegation, and I don't even, I'm not a threatful kind of person.
Okay. So at this point in time, the court is going to find that there's probable cause that you have violated your terms and conditions of community control. We're going to set this for a full hearing in front of Judge Tepe.
Right.
Do you have the means or ability to retain counsel, or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I would like a court-appointed attorney.
We are going to-
I don't have, I really don't have a reason to even be here right now. I just want to go back over that with you. So I
that,
can get a little personal closure, because everything I've done in these programs through her, and I possibly will be interested in a new probation officer. I mean, I've been
So
going through this
anything-
for way too long.
anything you've done with the programs could potentially amount to a defense or a mitigating factor. So we're going to appoint Mr. John Helpling. I want you to talk to Mr. Helpling about all of this as well. And
Yeah,
how to bring it
and
up to
so
the
I've
court.
been using him for a while. I'm not saying that. Thank you. I'm not saying that I'm trying to defend anything. I was trying to just allow you the information I can give you of the things I was going through.
Understood. Just these legal roads that we're going to travel on are a little confusing at times, and I'd feel a little bit better if you talk to an attorney first, because some of the things you say could be very mitigating in your case, and Mr. Helpling will know how to get that to the court. So
Okay.
at this point in time, the court is going to order you to be held until we can get this into a full hearing in front of Judge Tepe. We'll get set on his calendar as soon as possible.
Okay.